Hey guys, John from Paternia here. Today we have a case of Funko's brand new Blizzard Heroes of the Storm vinyl figures, the blind boxed case here. We're going to go give it a try. As you can see here from the back, there's 12 total figures in the set, and I don't believe there are any chases. There certainly weren't any announced, but we're going to go ahead and open it up and see what we have in store. So let's get started. First off, we start off with a clear Nova. Next up is Kerrigan. There you go, Kerrigan. From StarCraft, of course. Next up we have, who could it be? It's heavy, so it is Raynor, which, no, that looks like, yeah, that's his regular costume, so there you go, there's Raynor's regular costume right there. It's a little lighter though, it's silver, which, I don't know. I'll have to double check on that one. Normally it's more of a blue color, so that's very interesting. I wonder if we do have a chase in here. This one's big, so I'm gonna guess. Yep, it is Diablo. And clean that up. The giant Diablo, very cool looking. Look at that. I'll move him down a little bit so you can see. Okay. Next up, let's see. Who do we got? We have the Witch Doctor from Diablo, obviously. This is Here's the Storm, but Nazebo, the Witch Doctor. I'm a big fan of the Dota version of the Witch Doctor because he goes, "All good, man." Very Jamaican sounding type of guy. I don't know. Maybe I have no idea what he sounds like, but yeah, sounds good. Next up. Another Diablo figure. Oh, this is nice. Tyrael from Diablo. That's actually really, I like his, he's actually held up by the wings coming out of his back. That's really cool. So, there we go. I'm gonna have to move there, Nova. Hey. Alright. We are getting into box number 7 here. This one's heavy. Maybe it's going to be Stitches. Maybe it is. It's Stitches. Stitches, or as the maybe known as the Abomination from Warcraft, Patchwork, if you were a Naxxramas Raider, or Pudge in Dota, you would know him as. Maybe another Stitches. Maybe the probably the alternate outfit for Stitches. It is. This is the alternate chef's outfit Stitches. So here we go. Let's take a look at those two. And I see instead of holding his hook with his third hand, he's holding a frying pan with eggs. He's got a ham instead of the cleaver on the side. He's wearing a chef's hat. That's a nice variant. They're also nice and solid too, very thick. I like it. Alright. We are running low on figures here. Let's line up what we got here. We got Patchwork, Stitches, Clear Nova, Diablo, Tyrael, Jim Raynor in a silver outfit, which I'm questioning because that doesn't seem right, but that's fine. The Witch Doctor, the alternate outfit for Stitches, and of course Kerrigan. So we got 4 more to go. Yeah, let's take them down there. There you go. Okay. Come on, let's get Arthas here. Arthas. Nah, it's not. It's the normal version of Nova. Nova! There you go. Really nicely done figures, too. I'm really liking them. Very solidly built, not like hollow on the inside. Similar to the Frozen ones, I got a bunch of them from my daughter a while back, and she loves them. Except she keeps breaking the arms off of them because she likes to play with them in her castle. Oh. Here we go. ETC, or Elite Tauren Chieftain. Got his guitars on the back. That was, Tauren was the one class that I only had characters on in World of Warcraft until they introduced the Goblin, and I changed him to a Goblin. But Taurens hold a special place in my heart. Alright. And there we go. The Lich King. Arthas Menethil. Running out of space here. Let's move these guys back. Hop on back. Okay, here's Arthas. Interesting look for Arthas. And the final one, I believe, should be Raynor in his America fuck yeah gear. I am correct on that. See? Alright, so there you have it. Raynor. Jim Raynor. Reporting for duty. Alright, white and blue, and then there's the silver one. Which again, I'm not sure about that color. I feel like it should be blue, but you know, a dark blue. But I'll take a look into it. I might be completely wrong. It's been a while since I played StarCraft 2. So this is the set. So it looks like if you buy a case, you will get all 12 figures since they're 1 in 12. Like that. But here, let's also do some comparisons here to some of these guys. So first of all, we have here we have Kerrigan. And here is the cute but deadly minifigure of Kerrigan. So you can kind of see what they're going for there. And next we have I have the Funko Pop of Arthas sitting around. Yeah, so while Arthas is kind of an interesting, definitely more cartoony, I like him better than the Pop. The Pop's, I don't know, I'm not in love with the Pop. He also looks like he has 3 eyes. So, yeah. No, and Pop left dusty fingerprints too. And then if you want to compare these to like other minifigures I have here, here's the demi-heroes from Dota 2. See, there's Tiny. You can compare him to Witch Doctor. That's usually a good combination in lane, as a Witch Doctor and a Tiny for lots of stuns. So they fit in pretty well. And here we have, of course, the Coops, Team Fortress 2. There's an Engineer. So yeah, these all kind of really work out nicely with each other, and they're built very solidly. So, so I grabbed these off of Entertainment Earth. It was, I think, like $89 for the case with free shipping. You get the whole set with it, so that's not too bad. You know, I hope they do more, because I know NECA has Heroes of the Storm figures coming, so actual action figures coming this summer, so I'm definitely going to be getting them as well. But for now, this feeds my minifigure addiction, and they're probably going to put out more figures than NECA will anyway, because, you know, they can make a whole bunch of minifigures in one case. So, alright, so that's Mystery Minis from Heroes of the Storm. I guess Series 1, hopefully there'll be another series. And that's it. Alright, thanks a lot for viewing. Take care. Bye.